Good morning. Today I am going to do my speaking one. I am security guard. I work for the company Canjave. I work of the condominium Las Delicias in Moche. I had to make sure that no unauthorized person enter during my check. I work from Monday and Saturday from 5 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 a.m. On Saturday I work all day. I am always alert and responsible. No, the relative he chose is my father. My father is a construction worker. He works for the company Tos House. He works at a condominium Sol de las Delicias. He has two wheel sidewalks in the street. He works from Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. On Saturday, he works from 7:30 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. He has lunch from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. He is hardworking and very skilled. Thank your attention. And goodbye, bye bye.